Yes, I. Greetings again, now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. You see, I say I impressed. Do a video the other day, like an interview. Somebody asked her, cause she used to hang out with Bob Marley and thing like that. See it, and she definitely when she make for her speech, she said, "Oh, you see that man there? We could have do a whole lot more type of thing." We never know going out for you don't know. See what the lady that said the man know himself. No woman that I can relate and play. See, she hope the man watch her video because she know him know himself. What do you know what I'm bridging a reason still and big man. Big man general from long time still. Yeah, I can see that, know that. Give me some reason I say, yo, Alan Skill Cole can write an encyclopedia, in terms of the legend Bob Marley. Me I say in regards to the legendary Bob Marley. Man like Skill Cole can write an encyclopedia. You see what me I say? And say, me not even ever hear the man they attempt an interview with anybody when still could I make a change after the interview. See it? You never even hear the man they attempt an interview or no sort of documentary or whatever anybody I do. Again, in regards to the gang. Never see one of them closest friend really again. No, cha. You see it? You don't know. Well, me don't know what him could have did say in regards to Bob Marley, for hurt Bob Marley, or if him could have educated others more about the legend from a personal perspective. See, because again, no, a lot of people cannot can elaborate upon such a level of closeness like Alan Skill Cole and Bob Marley had. You get what I say? Right across the board, right through everything. See it at the two of them. See, there's a lot of cases where you can see Skill Cole a writer and producer for enough of him album them, for enough of him tune them and things like that. See. But me never see, me know them man they can say a whole heap of things. Me know them man they know who shot Bob Marley. The man they know how much pound of weed Bob Marley smoke. The man they know who carry the weed, who grow the weed. The man they know who cook the food. See it. The man they have a whole heap of history stand and regardless, regardless of how trivial it might seem or sound. Say, say the man have a wealth of knowledge for share still. See, it's kind of tragic to a degree, me I say, cause only unless Skill Cole have some things where him no want to come out. Which why nobody not ask him to say some things where him no want to say. See, but we don't say a whole heap of things where a whole heap of people say. Unless he must say everything is already being said. See, or unless probably never appreciate their relationship to the degree where he would even want to expound upon it, what I'm saying? Because you never know, Probably there's some level of bitterness where man entertain same way, because you don't know if man to them own, see it. But, again, reach at this stage in your life with them level of knowledge there and really keep it to yourself. Kind of selfish still, Alan. Yes, no man. Whole heap of selfishness there. But again, like me I say, probably again, there was some disagreement whereby a man feel like him good at even in the position or have the right for really even mention the gang name, see, cause again, each to his own. See, so you don't know. See, each to his own mean, each to his own consciousness, each to his own conscience, each to his own righteousness, each to his own judgment, you know, see. So, but, because I can't really think of another man right now, because I would even say Bunny Wailer. You know, see, because yeah, Bunny Wailer was a long time friend span way back in the day, way back when, but, you know what I say? You know, so when it comes to certain liquor, you know, see, when it comes to certain degree, you don't know a personal, you know, relationship. You don't know, you know, say, Bob and Skill Cole did have a deep, you know, a deep level still, you know, see, and you don't know, for some reason. And I can't follow me still even there. I try articulate the words for try to get for draw the man. You know what I say about at the end of the day, you come like you can't think about you know what I say cause it's confusing. You know see it. You know see it. I don't know, man, ask you some question and you answer them. Not so hard that could have be. You refuse to answer what you don't want to answer. You see, again, what the people to get interviewed in regards to Bob Marley. I never really hear nobody ask no disrespectful question of such and a disparaging question. You know, you know, see nobody ask no dirty question where would you know what I say? When an answer would be I don't know, I don't know what I go on. Not on Skill Cole if you just do a bumbuckler interview, man, and make we hear what I go on. You know, see, because Bob Marley used to roll close. You know, see, or unless you never like one another, the man never like you, and at the end, some fuck we go on where. Yeah, I don't understand how you keep so quiet about blood clot Bob Marley, and Bob Marley used to run up and down silent side. You know, see, the big secret and any secret, you know, keep it to yourself, man. Elaborate, man. Make the youth them hear about the general and how the general live and how the general flex, man. Chabum buckler, man. Yeah, man. Enough, man. Say something, man. Blood clot. Do it for free, then. Since I go on like say two people want to pay you for talk and get an interview about Bob Marley, that's right. You don't want to say nothing. Do it for free, man. I want to tell you, man. A man life that, you know, everlastingly, you see. People are close to him and know about him for something, man, and call it too blood clot quiet, man, and ignorant, arrogant, up in your blood clot self. It is 60s badness. Say something about your brethren, man. Bumbuckler. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe.